everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find StreamKey on Twitch. Keep watching the video till the end. To find StreamKey on Twitch, firstly open your Google search. Type in twitch.com and make a search. Log into your Twitch account if you are not logged in by entering your username and password. Click on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and tap on Settings. On the next page, click on Channel and Video option and tap on Stream. You can see the primary stream key on the first option. Click on Show option to check your stream key. You can also copy or reset your primary stream key as well. This is how you can find stream key on Twitch quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.